What's the meaning of altar boy? Altar boy. Altar boy. Altar boy. Altar boy. Altar boy.
Altar boy refers to a young male who assists the priest during religious ceremonies in the Catholic Church. They are responsible for tasks such as handling liturgical objects, carrying the cross during processions, and assisting with the preparation of the altar. For Massachusetts, altar boys are seen as serving the church and participating in the Mass, and are typically chosen from the local parish community. Their role is considered an important part of the Church's sacramental practices and serves as a way for young men to deepen their faith and connect with their community.